Hello, Ian Richardson here. I just wanted to do a quick video today on how to choose the right PIC chip for your project using the Microchip parametric search tool, which is a really handy tool for that job. So let's get started. The easiest way to find this parametric search from Microchip, because they do keep moving it around a little bit in the website, is actually just a search like that for the Microchip parametric search. And when you do that, you will get the list of results, and hopefully you'll find the first one will take you straight to that parametric search page. This is the start page, parametric search tool, and we just click on there. So that takes us straight to the tool, and we can select. So this is going to show us all new popular micros and other products. So we don't really want all. We want to focus down on the 8-bit micros. So we'll say all 8-bit MCUs, and we actually want to look in this example anyway at the PIC micros. So as you may know, that Microchip actually bought out Atmel, so now all the Atmel AVR products are also listed here, but we're just going to focus on the PICs at the moment. So we highlight the PICs there. This is going to list all the Microchip PIC products, which is a lot. You can see down there, and also across here we're listing out all the peripheral functions and chip functions that are available. There's a lot of choices there that you can choose from, and that is in fact only a summary. So if you click on the all specs there, there'll be even more of those things. So if we can go across here, and we can look at all of the options that we can have. We can have a number of DAC resolution, various other things, timers, 8-bit timers and 16-bit timers, which are useful. To change the order of this search, you can click onto one of these bars at the top here, click the arrow there, and that will give you a search then in pricing order. So this is pricing, so that's starting from the lowest price, and that's a really useful feature as well. Okay, so let's have a look at an example spec. So let's assume we want to find an 8-bit PIC. We want at least 2K of memory, at least 4 ADCs with 10 bits of resolution, at least 8 Pwm outputs, at least 1 UART, and we want at least 40 pins on the device so that we have plenty of I/O for our project. So let's put some of that information into the search. So we've already highlighted the PICs only. So we're going to look at program memory size. So we want it to be at least 2K, and we will need to click on 2. Then I'm doing a shift left click onto the last one. So now that's everything from 2K upwards, which is what we want. So now what else did I say we wanted on the example? Okay, 4 ADC channels. Number of ADC inputs here. Okay, so at least 4, so we're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to left click on the 4 there. That will just select devices with exactly 4, but we don't mind if there's a few extra, so we just go to the bottom and shift click to select all. So we're now looking at 4 or more, and 10-bit resolution. So we want to say at least 10-bit resolution. So again, we'll click the 10 and control click the 12, so that includes those. We can always ignore the extra 2 bits if we don't want to use them, and we just want 10 bits of resolution. And back to our specs. So we also wanted 8 PWM outputs, so we'll search for our PWM outputs here, and we're going to do the same thing. Click on 8, and then we're going to go down to the bottom and shift click to select them all. So that's that. The PWMs, at least 1 UART and at least 40 pins. So let's look for the UARTs across here. We just go across. So 1 UART, at least 1, so it'll do the same. Shift left click to select them all. So all the UART options. And you've got all these other options you could pick up if you wanted. So let's go back to the pin count of the device here. Pin counter here. So we said at least 40, so we're going to left click on 40, and then we go down to the bottom and shift click to select all. So that has now already updated the list now, so we have all the devices that now meet our criteria that we can choose from. That's all of these here, and we already clicked on this pricing arrow, so we've sorted this list now to cheapest first. So if we wanted to save money on our project and find the cheapest micro, we could get that one there. That's 16F15385 for just 88 cents. Reasonable volumes, or you can almost certainly buy this from distribution or catalogs like the RS and the Fanau, the DigiKeys, the Newux, for a similarly reasonable price. And that is really all there is to it. Very useful tool from Microchip to select devices. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.